Hey everyone, welcome to the Wilson Homestead. So I wasn't really planning on filming this video today, so I'm a hot mess. You'll have to excuse my appearance, but today is garlic day. I looked at the forecast. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so this is as dry as this bed's gonna get. And this garlic is a little bit past its prime, because typically when you harvest garlic, you're gonna want to wait until the bottom two leaves die back and are brown. And you can see, if you look on down the road here at the elephant garlic, it's way past. So I'm hoping everything's still okay. But anyway, I planted this garlic in the fall last year in October. I have elephant garlic down here at the end, and I have Italian garlic up here. And I can see that I forgot to cut a scape off. Usually with the hardneck varieties, they produce these scapes and you cut them off so that way they focus the energy into making a bigger bulb. So this one probably won't have a great big bulb, but we'll see what happens. Let's get started. So I'm going to start up here with the Italian garlic, and I have my trusty little shovel. I don't want to just jerk these out of the ground because I don't want to damage them in any way. So I'm just going to dig beside of it without hurting the bulb. And pull it out. There's number one. You can still see that this soil is a little damp and sticking to everything, but I have to get these out, so I have no choice. But it still looks pretty good. Alright, I'm just going to keep digging these out, and I will get back with you when I get to the elephant garlic. Alright, I just got done with the Italian garlic, and I have to tell you I'm a little bit disappointed. Which I kind of figured this would happen because I was a little late getting these out in the fall. Lesson learned. I will not be late again, but at least I have something. Like, I have a couple really nice ones. Like that one is a really nice sized one, but let's see what the elephant garlic did. Alright, let's hope for the best here. Come on, be a big one. Not too bad. Definitely grown bigger ones in the past though. Alright, I'm going to get these dug up and then I will show you when I'm done. So here's all of the elephant garlic. And I think this one here was my biggest one, which is pretty massive. But I did a lot better last year when I got them out earlier, so lesson learned. And then back again to the Italian garlic. I hope that I can wipe some of the mud off of these so you can see how beautiful they actually are. See that beautiful red veining in there? Love it. But I'm glad that I at least got something. I'm not complaining. And now I can add some more compost into this bed, put some fertilizer in, and plant something else. I'm thinking either bush beans or carrots. And also over here in this bed, I showed this on my last video, the red burgundy onions did not do well, so I'm going to pull all of those up out of here tonight and plant another crop in here too. So that just about does it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time here on the Wilson Homestead. Bye guys.